take any one that you like. Doesn't matter. All right. 10 of clubs. Can you put your initials in the middle?
He's going to use this later to sign blank checks.
Now, let me show you what I do with this.
Okay.
You see the card.
Oh, thank you.
You see how it really looks, Jeff? Like it goes, see how it looks like it goes inside?
Yeah.
Like in the middle?
Yeah.
No, it's an optical illusion. It's always right here. Let me do it again. Look. So you see it and it really looks, you believe that you see it going inside, but it's always going to be right there.
Yeah, that's pretty much impossible. Can I get that in slow-mo?
Wait a minute, we just destroyed that. The second law of thermodynamics has just been violated.
So but you actually see it go inside?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, but it never moves. It's always right. You know what I'll do? Hold on. Let me bend it. Let me put a bend. You see, you can't miss
Yeah,
that. It's
okay.
a print. See that obvious bend in the
Yes,
card?
there it is. There it
These
is.
go above if I just hit. See how it pops up and through the deck? Like. But Jeff, let me
Where's
say.
my...
We need a high-speed camera.
Jeff, you
No, I want the
take one out. Whatever you want. Of all the cards you could have had,
Wait a minute.
do you mind?
Sure.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
This
It's
is
a
your
ball
glass?
Yeah. This is your.
What? Oh, Jesus, what are you doing?
I'm gonna get some safety goggles next time. How is it?
You make sure that's actually real glass. Be
That is
careful,
real
don't hurt your
You
hands.
just cut your hand there. That'll be fine.
That's real glass.
Yes.
Oh, back to what we're doing though. Could you shuffle this? If you don't mind.
Yes?
Take the napkin so you have a free
Yeah,
hand.
okay.
If you can mix. And who has an iPhone? Do you have an iPhone?
I have an
Do
iPhone.
you have an iPhone?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's use his. Great.
This is hard
It's
to
very
do without-
difficult.
You need like a
A
table.
table. Laura
These are
will
really
be.
stiff
Laura can
little
do
buggers,
it.
Like
aren't
Vanna, right?
Wait a minute. Here we go.
Oh, that's a good shuffle.
I'm sorry that I
Maybe
have
do
to do
another
it.
one though. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Yeah. If we could eliminate this carefully, I don't want anybody to get hurt.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. It doesn't matter. So take a poker hand from the deck. Okay, perfect. Can I do these? Can you open up the calculator app on your phone? There's a calculator.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, perfect. Great. Perfect. Yep. Good. And can you take this first?
Yeah.
Can you type a 3-digit number for me? I'll
Any
take these.
3-digit
Any
number?
3-digit number. Do times. Can you take it? Can you? And I know you're a mathematician,
Yes,
so
yes.
do like a 3-digit number.
Okay.
Do plus. Can you do this? Do a number.
Yes?
Give it to her. Push equals. Equal. So we did a bunch of I don't. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, but that's 6 digits.
Yeah, 6. We need 5 digits.
We
You want me
needed
to divide
5.
by something?
Well,
How
what
about
is
if
it?
we
4.
It's 492. So if you divide by 8, for example.
Oh wait, you know what? No, but forget the 0. Maybe the 8. Can I see the first card? What's the first one?
Here we go.
Oh, good. Yeah. So it's a 4. Could you
Okay.
hold that, Jeff? Just good. So we got. Could you hold the next one? Oh, good. It's a 9. Great. Let me see. Yeah, good. And what's the next one? Oh yeah, good. A 2.
Jesus, this is
Hold on.
unbelievable.
Let me see. Let me see this
Next,
one.
5.
5, and then probably
And
I'm
the next
off by.
one is
Oh yeah. No,
a 10.
it was one.
A 10.